In this video, I'm going to show you how to add link to your TikTok bio. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your TikTok application and get in your profile. And here, first, you need to make sure that you got a business account. How to check that? Tap here on the three lines icon, and here at the second place I see business suite. That says me that I got a business account. If you got one, that's good. If you don't have this option, make these simple steps. Go here to settings and privacy. Then tap on manage account, and at that position where I got switch to personal account option, you will get switch to business account option. Tap here and switch your account to business account first, and then go back to that step. Check here if your account is business, and then just tap on edit profile button right here. And business account is able to add links in your bio in the website field here. Just tap there and let's add some link, and then tap save and check our profile. You see, I got a link right here under my description, and when I tap on that, the link will opens directly in my browser. I can also directly in my browser. I hope it helps you. So before you go, please like and subscribe.